To add ladders and platforms to your stack, go to the Attachments menu and select Ladders and Platforms. The ladder menu is on the top while the platform menu is below it. You can add as many ladders and platforms as you want. Starting at the ladder menu, we have top and bottom elevation. This determines where the ladder starts and ends. Orientation changes the angle at which the ladder is facing. Type decides what kind of ladder you are making, as there are several different types of ladders. If you believe you are competent enough, you can activate Override Weight and Wind Area. This will allow you to modify the uniform weight and wind area. The uniform weight is the weight of the ladder per unit length. The wind area is the wind area per unit length of the ladder. Finally, the weight total is just the total weight of the ladder, which is obtained by multiplying its length times the unit weight. Next, we have the platform window. Here we can decide where to place a platform on your structure. Elevation indicates the top of grading elevation for the platform. Start and end angles determine orientation where the ladder starts and ends. Platform width is the radial distance from the outer diameter of the stack to the outer diameter of the platform. The weight and wind area are automatically calculated. However, if you click Override, then you can manually enter values for weight and wind area. Weight is simply the total weight of the platform. Wind area is defined as the area per unit length and is applied over the height from the top of platform to top of handrail. If you have a full platform on the stack with ladders and rest platforms down to the bottom, then you can press the Auto-Generate button. You will need to fill out information for the top elevation for ladder, orientation of ladder at base, and maximum spacing of the rest platforms. Then you click Generate and it will automatically generate the ladders and platforms. Once you are satisfied, click OK and you will see the graphics displayed.